The Hampton Bay Ripstop Deluxe round table and chair cover is designed to protect outdoor furniture from rain, sun, and debris. It's made from Ripstop fabric, has a water-resistant coating, and comes with adjustable straps to keep it secure. On paper, it sounds like a solid choice, but does it actually hold up? At first, it did its job well. It fit my patio set perfectly, kept everything dry, and even handled a few storms. But after about a year, I started noticing issues. One windy day, a strong gust caught the cover, and the edge of my chair started rubbing against it. That's when I saw the first tear, just a small one at first, but once it started, it was game over. The material had become brittle, and over time, it just kept ripping apart. Now, to be fair, while it lasted, it protected my furniture well, but if you're expecting this to hold up for multiple seasons, you might end up replacing it sooner than you'd like. What do you think? Drop a comment, like, and subscribe.